Hi, today is Tuesday. We've been here at base camp for 6 days now, and I'm having problems with my balance and my rigidity, so Mike bought me a pair of, or gave me a pair of his walking sticks. And today I am determined to dig a hole for a potty. Over there against the tree is our little potty, so this is what I'm working on today. Wish me luck.
Just taking a little walk this morning, listening to the birds. We've got berries everywhere growing right around where I'm going to put our garden. That's pretty cool and convenient. Not bad for a week.
Ella and I are here making pizza in the Coleman oven tonight for dinner. Time to check the pizza, see how it's doing. It's cooking, but it's not quite done. The finished product, along with an appetizer of beef jerky dip. We are country living now. So Mike and I have been working our tail feathers off to try to make this a cleanup camp. We're using that tent there for storage. You can see we've cleaned up all the boxes in front of the camper. Mike did a bang-up job cleaning up this stuff over here and organizing all those shelves. Sorry about my hand in the video. While he was doing that and hanging tarps, I mowed part of the field back there to clear out a spot for Ella's tent, which is right there, which has our clothes in it right now, but we're going to be putting a tent back there for her to have a play area. And I I raked the path over here back to the potty back there, so we had a walkable path. We've been busy campers. Have a great day. Oops, sorry, didn't mean to drop you.